David, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing, and I appreciate you speaking with my partner Ashley on Friday and letting her know that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers for free. I know you're probably wondering why we're taking the time to do this for you. It's pretty simple. I actually used to own my own roofing company up here in Alaska, so I do understand that business owners reach a point where they're so busy running the business, they don't have that free time to sit around and learn how to make the internet work for them and bring the customers to them. And obviously, the only thing holding these business owners from hiring a marketing agency to do it is they don't know who's an expert and who would be a waste of time and money. So we found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there are still a lot of owners who end up calling us back and asking us to do this stuff for them. So if after this video you do see that we've got tricks up our sleeves and that you know we could do good work for you, you can always give us a call back and we can chat. If you just want to take the information and fix your website yourself, please do. This is free education for you. I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things today. That's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So I have your homepage pulled up here, and I like that you guys have the call to actions. You chose a good color scheme. You have a nice logo. Unfortunately, Google isn't ranking you for the appearance of your site. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the search results. So for Google, content is king. You want a minimum of 1,500 words on the homepage and a minimum of 500 words on each back service page. This does 2 things. It shows Google you're an expert, and it prevents keyword stuffing by keeping content at 100 words of content per 1 keyword. That's your goal. If you do any more than that, Google's going to treat you like you're keyword stuffing. So if we go over here, I've actually pulled up an example of just one keyword, roofing company Cincinnati. I know you cover different service areas, so this just shows you the potential of having an optimized site, because this one keyword is getting searched up 720 times a month. That's a lot of roofs. The first thing people are going to see is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business. You want to get this optimized by uploading photos and your company contact information. Once you have your info on here, you need to get citations. And that's just a fancy way of saying online directories, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List. There's thousands. Get yourselves with your company information on at least 100 more directories than your competitors, and you're going to start boosting into these top 3, which it's obviously really important to be there because we know people are too lazy. They're not going to hit the view all. So if we continue down, we'll see the organic search results. And the first company that comes up is Fiesel Roofing. So I'm going to be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. I have pulled up their site over here, and we can see that 1,500-500 rule of thumb is really going to help you beat your competitor on content. Now, on the other end of things, we use a tool called Ahrefs. This shows what's happening on the back end of a website. So we've pulled up your site, and I can see that you have a UR strength of 28, which is pretty good, but your domain ranking is fairly low at only 1.6. Now, your domain ranking you want to be an equal 1-to-1 ratio, and this strength is coming in part by backlinks. Backlinks is just when another site online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. And because Google's all about the popularity contest, they love to see it. But just like the popularity contest, you got to make sure you're hanging with the right crowd. So when you're linking to another site, you need to make sure that it's a high-ranking, authoritative site and it's relevant to the roofing industry. Now, you currently have 460 backlinks coming from 52 different websites, and you have about 109 organic keywords. I also want to point out you do have one ad that you're paying for the Roofsmith Restoration Akron, Ohio keyword. This keyword's only getting searched 10 times a month, which is nowhere close to this keyword of 720 times a month. So keep that in mind when you're finding something that's worthwhile to pay for. Make sure you're getting good exposure for that keyword. Now, all this is giving you that 76 traffic each month. If we take these numbers and we look at your competitor, we can see that they have a much higher domain ranking, but a lower UR ranking. So one of their 2 backlinks, actually, I'll show you their whole thing. This is the page that comes up. That's why it says prefix. This is the single page that comes up for that keyword directly. But if we look at their site as a whole, we can see just how many backlinks they're getting that are causing an impact. So they get a 33 ranking because of 10,000 backlinks from 319 sites. What we would do is we would find the backlinks that are giving the most authority and strength, and we would put them on your site, and then we want to beat the competition, so we'd get even more backlinks to make sure that you're really outranking them. They do have over 2,000 keywords, but look at this. They're paying for 192 of them. We want to get you just found in the organic search results. Get the biggest return on investment we can. So all this is giving them almost 3,000 traffic each month. Even if they're only closing a fraction of that, that's still a lot of potential roofs to get done in a month. So you guys can see that there's really a potential to grow and expand your business. There's a high search volume happening for your services in your area. You just need to learn the language of Google a little bit for your site. So quick recap. You're going to need at least 1,500 words on the homepage, at least 500 words on each back service page. Then you need to go and get your company contact information put into as many online directories as you can, and you need to go get some high quality backlinks that are relevant to the roofing industry. If you guys do these steps, you will be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information and you're probably like, holy crap, what do I do with this? You can take this, apply it yourself, totally okay. This was free education. All that we're really trying to get is your feedback. We're trying to get your views and thoughts on the video. But if you did want help getting this stuff done, because I know it's a lot more fun to lay squares and work in the sun all day than be stuck staring at a computer screen, go ahead and give us a call. We'll have a chat and see if we would be a good fit together, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook. Our partner will be following up in the next few days just to get your feedback on the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for letting us send it to you. You take care.